Hi, it's Glenda, and today I'm making the last one of my Christmas soaps. Yay! I made so many. This is the oils. This is the recipe I'm following. I'm going to put a link to this in the description box. We'll be using a blend of these fragrances: peppermint, sandalwood, and orange. And for colors, I'm going to use pink and green micas. And my guess is that the fragrance, because of the orange, you can see how yellow it is, it's probably going to discolor the soap to yellow. So I'm going to leave a portion without any micas, and I'm guessing that's going to be a little bit yellow. A lot of embeds, mostly Christmas trees. Alright, so my oils, they feel a little bit warm. I don't have my thermometer nearby, but I just put them in the microwave and then about 5 minutes ago, and they were clear. If I had to guess, I'll say they are at 90 or 85. The light water solution, it's probably in the 70s because I made it a few days ago. Anyway, I'm gonna hope to keep it simple since the top of the soap is gonna have a lot of embeds and details. I'll try to keep the body of the soap fairly simple. I'm just gonna stir it first for about a minute, and then I'm going to bring the stick blender. Okay, I think we're there now, so I'm going to add the fragrance blend. My guess is that this might accelerate because I have a water. I'm doing a water discount, and my recipe has a lot of solid butters and oils. I'm gonna blend it very briefly to distribute the fragrance. It smells very good. So I'm going to distribute some into another container. Some more here. I think I'm gonna make this one pink. A light pink with just a half teaspoon of the mica. And to the one here, I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of the lime green mojito mica. I didn't pre-disperse the micas in the oils today, but I like to do it because it's easier to blend them in. However, micas tend to blend in easier than pigments do. Pigments, I always try to disperse them in oils prior because I know that they tend to not dissolve uniformly otherwise. Alright, so let's bring the mold in. It's a big mold, but I'm only gonna fill it halfway. I forgot to use sodium lactate on this one, and I like to use it when I use silicone molds because it helps with the release of it. Oh well, too late, too late. put a bunch of Christmas trees. The boxes are supposed to be gifts, of course. I may try to add some detail on it later. Here's a single owl. It's gonna be a tiny bar where he is. And some of them do have poncieras if there was room. But anyway, I'll show you what it looks like once I cut it. Alright, so it's been a few days, I think. A couple of days since I made it. Alright. I think I'm gonna let it rest a few more days. I don't think it's ready to come out. It's very sticky on this one side.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la.